To invest in the JS app, start by signing in to your mobile app. Once logged in, swipe left on one of your investment accounts. Then tap on the Transfer and More option. Next, select your investment account to view details, and tap on Fund Your Account to initiate the investment process. You can transfer money or securities to fund your account. After funding, tap the search icon in the top right corner to find stock codes, ETFs, and more. You can also set market alerts by tapping the bell icon, and explore investment ideas by tapping the Explore option. The search icon allows you to find codes for stocks, ETFs, and other investments. From there, you can choose to trade and buy or sell stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and more, or transfer funds to send cash or securities. Additionally, you can view your positions, track portfolio performance, and access statements and documents. To review and change your investment settings, tap the Profile and Settings icon. And to update your account details, such as beneficiaries, dividend options, and reinvestment preferences, go to Settings and select the Investment option.